How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Cashless Investor. So NIO just became the first automaker to be trading in 3 different stock exchanges after being listed in the Singapore Stock Exchange. But what does it mean to shareholders? How is it going to affect NIO share price? That's exactly what I'm going to talk about in today's video. In addition to that, I'm also going to discuss how NIO is performing last week and my prediction for the coming week. My name is Nelson Kanyanga and this is the Cashless Investors. So not long ago, NIO got listed in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and in May 20th, NIO got listed in the Singapore Stock Exchange. And I believe that a lot of you guys might be wondering, how is it important to NIO? Is it going to affect NIO share price? So there are many good reasons to be happy about this listing, and I have to highlight one good reason, which is to keep NIO shareholders calm when it comes to the listing news. As you guys know, many Chinese stock share price have been affected by the possibility of the listing. Okay, the possibility of being stopped from trading in the New York Stock Exchange. And in order to de-risk that, William Lee, which I have to congratulate him, has decided to list NIO in different stock exchanges. Okay, this is one of the reasons. It is going to give shareholders possibility, if, which I doubt is going to happen, if NIO got listed from the New York Stock Exchange, shareholders can still be able to trade NIO shares either from the Hong Kong Stock Exchange or the Singapore Stock Exchange. And another reason, which is a very good one, it is going to give NIO more liquidity, as more investors are going to be able to trade NIO shares from different locations. So if someone is in Singapore, he is going to be able to trade NIO shares from the Singapore Stock Exchange. The same applies to those who are in Hong Kong. Okay, exposure, investors, different investors are going to be able to buy NIO shares. Of course, that put NIO in more visibility, okay, which is something very good, something to be happy about if you are a NIO shareholder. Or if you are not, probably that's a good reason to think about investing in NIO. All right, I just want to highlight that I am not a financial advisor, okay? These are my opinions, and if you guys disagree with something or agree with something, please comment below, guys. Now I want to show you guys what William Lee, the CEO of NIO, has said with regard to the Singapore listing.
新加坡上市对未来全球业务发展计划意义重大。借助新加坡在全球资本市场的重要战略地位，未来进一步完善了全球资本市场的布局。不仅如此，我们也将借助新加坡的国际经济和科技中心的优势，与新加坡本地的科研机构展开深入的合作，在新加坡建立人工智能与自动驾驶研发中心，进一步完善未来的全球研发和业务布局。未来是一家年轻的全球初创公司，我们会坚守清朗天空的初心，坚持用户企业的愿景，为用户带来超越期望的产品、服务与体验，为投资人带来长期回报，为全球的绿色经济和可持续发展贡献力量。Hello, Singapore.
All right, so William Lee highlighted that the reason why NIO is trading in the Singapore Stock Exchange is not only related to security and safety for the current shareholders or the future shareholders, but it is also something that he wants to take advantage of Singapore tech strength to establish a research and development in Singapore. Okay, this is important. What do they do with research and development? Of course, they study, they look for opportunity, they look for opportunity to enhance their technology. Okay, and he highlighted that he wants to take advantage of Singapore technology strength to establish a research and development center right there in Singapore, okay, to focus on artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. Okay, this alone gives me confidence when it comes to NIO commitment to shareholders and commitment to make NIO a big company. And of course, These are the types of decision that makes me put some cash on NIO, okay, because I believe in the future. I believe on what they are building. Now, how has NIO performed during last week? So now, guys, let's see how NIO is performing during last week's trading session. And last week I said that I would expect a bullish week, which indeed was a bullish week because we ended the week in green, and that is what I love, guys. Everyone loves green, and I'm not different. So last week we closed at $14.5 per share. That's where NIO actually started trading, at around $14.5 per share. There was a gap from 14.5 to $15, and the bullish run started from there. Okay, we had some downs, of course, and ups. We had a resistance right at $17.6 or $0.6. So we were about to break that $70, but then bear was stronger than bullish or than bulls, so we had a small drop, but thanks God we didn't go below $16. So we remained in that range around $16 per share, and that where we closed the week at $16.4 per share. And if you see, guys, a lot of very good volumes. Okay, when you see volumes like that, that means people were really buying. Okay, and it's not weak, it's a very strong volume. A lot of people were buying. The higher the volume, the more liquidity for the stocks, and that shows that a lot of people are actually buying, and they are confident. That shows confidence in the share price of that company. And if you guys see the RSI, okay, this is only for 1 week. This is a 1 week chart. You see that there were points during the week that we got oversold, okay, overbought, and sometimes we also got oversold, okay, but we kept within the range, okay, between 30 and 70 for the RSI. Now, if you guys check the MACD or the moving average conversion and divergence, you guys can see here, right here, which is a bullish sign, and that's why I think we are going to have a bullish week for the coming week, okay, because I like this reversal that just happened here. Okay, we can see that it moved from bear to bull right there, and stochastic give us support to my thesis. So NIO performed well as I expected. Of course, for the coming week, there is still a lot of news to digest. There is still the news of George Soro's fund acquisition, the news of Ray Dalio's acquisition, which I believe it wasn't digested yet. So that's some of the points that I've believed that are going to be important for NIO in the coming week. And of course, there are also some news that is going to come throughout the week, and you guys need to pay attention to that. Aside from that, please pay attention to macroeconomic news that affect a lot the share price of the company, and we have seen that most of the times what has dragged NIO share price down isn't related to NIO itself, it's related to macroeconomics, and you guys pay attention. So as long as you believe in the company, as I do, and as long as you do your own due diligence, do not buy or sell based on hype. You buy because you believe in the business, because you know that the fundamentals give you a lot of support to buy the stock. Okay, guys, and this is very good. So for the coming week, I expect a bullish run as well, although I have to repeat, you guys need to be cautious with regard to the macroeconomics news. So guys, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next video.